Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, there is that thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform, so you will see that right underneath the video. If you enjoy the content and you love that I create the content that I do, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. The number will increase, it will turn blue, and that's you helping me grow on YouTube. Today, I'm so excited to have the opportunity to share this with you. I had no idea this was coming. I'm now starting to get PR from Glossybox, which I've shared with you over the last couple of months, and I am loving this box. But I didn't get a warning, which usually I get an email with some discount codes and things like that. So I will definitely go back in after I film all this, and whatever discounts there are in reference to getting this box, I will share that in the description box down below, because they always give us such fantastic, not only the box and all these products that are in here, they also give a great discount to people like myself, the creators, to be able to share with you guys. So I want to make sure that you guys use those links, because they're always the best deal that is out there. So this one, I'm so excited to have the opportunity to share with you, because this box is fantastic. If you sign up for a whole year, it usually costs around $16 a month. And when you see what's inside this box, you will understand why I am so excited and so over the moon to be able to share this with you guys on the channel. It always comes in a gorgeous box like this. This is definitely a keepsake box. When you open it up, it's like getting a gift. It also comes in a box like this with this box inside. So there's never any stickers or labels or anything on it. And like I said, this is such a beautiful gift to give. When you open it up, inside is just as beautiful, even before you get to the products. It comes like this with a beautiful black ribbon. There's these cute little crinklies inside, keeping everything in place. Like I said, the presentation before you even get to the products is so over the top. And for the price that we're paying, I don't know how they do it. The other thing is that they sent me an email about a week ago that they are coming out with an Advent calendar, and they have always come out with these. They are so over the top and so beautiful, but I am going to be supposedly getting one that I'm going to be able to share with you on the channel. But inside the box, there was a little note about it, which I'm sure everyone who gets the box is going to get this. And I just want to make sure, because until I get it, until I know what the codes are, there's a fantastic deal that they're doing with this as well. The Advent calendar is going to come in a box that looks like this. They're saying it's going to have over $550 worth of products. It says it's full of surprises and delight. It's almost time for their favorite limited edition of the year. And as I've mentioned to you in the past, their limited edition boxes are fantastic. Also, the discounts that they give to us when we are members of the Glossybox, simply by meaning we get a monthly box, is always, there's always an extra discount for us, which is absolutely fantastic. And it says the Glossybox Advent Calendar is back, full of surprises and better than ever. Treat yourself a special someone to this holiday gift that keeps on giving. Subscribers get priority access and a $10 discount on sale, and it's all going to start September the 16th. So mark that date. It's www.glossybox.com. They're saying it's going to feature Glow Recipe, Elemis, Victor and Rolf. The brands are just unbelievable. So really excited that we are going to be able to share that on the channel, so you'll be able to see everything. But definitely mark that date down, because like I said, it's early access and a $10 discount, which I think is absolutely fantastic. All right, Glossybox is a monthly box. I thought initially about Glossybox was a UK box, but the UK box and the items that are in the US version are usually not the same. It also gets shipped out of the States, so you don't have to worry about anything, and it's free shipping. This is the pamphlet that comes inside, which is fantastic. What they do in the pamphlet is what I always do my research to be able to share with you guys, and they're doing it all for us. It gives you what the cost is if there's a travel size in here or if there's a full size in here. It will give you the cost of both, which is absolutely fantastic. So I have my notes here with this. Let's get started. Like I said, I undo all of my packages before I sit down here to open it up, remove any packaging. make sure that everything that is in the box is on the card and so on and so forth, so that when I'm sitting here, it's all about the Glossybox and the products. So let's get started. So the first item that's in here is this huge, beautiful box. This is, and there's also a couple of brands here that I'm familiar with, but I'm also being introduced to so many new brands, and that's what I love about this box also. They're saying this is from this brand called DHC. This is a full size item, and this is a $49 value. Do you see what I mean about this box? It is out of this world. So this, they're saying, is a collagen all-in-one gel. It is a lightweight facial moisturizer that tones, hydrates, and brightens your skin in just one step. It's powered by antioxidants, natural antioxidants, that are proven to be 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C and 550 times more powerful than vitamin E, and eliminating free radicals that cause premature aging. They're saying the tip to use this is after cleansing and toning, smooth evenly all over your face daily. So this is a daily moisturizer. It comes in this gorgeous container. It is just stunning. All right, when you open it up, it has an extra safety seal that's on the top here. I always like to keep these when I'm using it so that it keeps the freshness, I feel, a little bit longer. I'm going to take a little bit off the cap. It has a beautiful orange color to it, but I don't really smell anything at all. So let me just take a little bit on my hand here. That is what the cream looks like here, and I'm just going to put it on my hand over here. Yeah, there is no scent to this. So really nice and very moisturizing. And that's the difference from the hand without and the hand that I just did. Really beautiful. All right, the next item that we have in here that is on the card is from This Works. And this is a brand that I'm familiar with, and it is really a good brand. This is called their Stress Clean Hands. It says, keep your hands clean anywhere you go. This is a hydrating hand gel with 70% purifying alcohol, hard-working hyaluronic acid, and a super blend of lavender, chamomile, and neroli that will make your hands clean, safe, and moisturized whenever you cannot get to soap and water. This is the travel size. They're saying this is worth around $6. You can get the full size of this. That is a $15 value, and it's available on the Look Fantastic website. Look Fantastic is this fantastic website that now we're also getting that box on this channel too, but they have phenomenal deals on there as well. I will make sure to link all this information, where the items are available, the cost, everything that I'm talking about, in the description box down below. I know it's a lot of extra work, but it's something that I like for myself as well, because like you, I'm a consumer. And if I try something and I like it, I then go back to the video and I check where I can get it and what the prices are and things like that. So this is what this looks like here. We open it up. It has like this. Let's see if there is a, there's no safety seal on here or anything, so you're ready to go. This is fantastic to always have either in your console in your car, or something that you can also leave in your purse. But this is always something, especially nowadays, it is an essential to me. So this is what this looks like here. It has a very strong alcohol scent. I do not smell like the lavender or the chamomile or anything like that. You do smell, it's more herb-like than any single scent coming out on its own, and it dried like right away. So really great. All right, the next item that is in here is from a brand that I really have been enjoying, and I'm so excited to be able to share it with you guys. This is from this brand called TERRE de Mars. This is the full size of this. This is a $23 value. And they're saying what this is called the Reddition Body Cleanser. They're saying clean and refresh your skin while nourishing, toning, and protecting all at the same time. It is an organic, low foaming, aromatic cleansing gel, which is suitable for all skin types. It's infused with a bioactive ingredient such as coffee, rosemary extract, verbena oil, and aloe. And the tip on this is they're saying dispense into your hands, massage onto soaked skin from your neck to your toe, and then rinse thoroughly. So this isn't for your face, but I have had the opportunity to try the shampoo from this brand. It is really a fantastic brand. And this is made in France. That's also the other thing. You're going to be getting products from like all over the world in this box, which is really, really fantastic too. So let me just, because this is a soap, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand here. Be very, very careful with this, because when we open this, there was no safety seal in this, and it is that gel-like consistency, but you have to be really, really careful with it, because like I said, there is no, there's no safety seal in it. And it has a bit of a scent that is more lemony, but you definitely smell all the other scents in here as well. Really, really excited about that. All right, the next item that's in here came in this box here, and it's called David's. And this one here is a natural toothpaste. This is a deluxe mini that we're getting in here, but it is really a good size. They're saying this one is in peppermint. They're saying freshen your breath with this premium sustainable toothpaste that's designed to naturally whiten, remove plaque, and freshen your breath. David's is made with naturally sourced and naturally derived ingredients to elevate your health and oral care. Your teeth will be whiter in no time. This deluxe mini, they're saying, is a $5 value. The full size of this is around a $10 value. And the top tip on this is brush thoroughly after each meal for 2 minutes, or as directed by your dentist or your doctor. So this is the carton that it came in here, and this is the tube. And to me, like I said, this is definitely more than a deluxe sample size. This is, to me, even larger than the travel sizes I have. So really excited to get that. This also has that little pin on the top here that you turn it around to pierce this to get it started. Because they said it's a peppermint scent and it's toothpaste, there's no need for me to open it and show it to you guys. This is immediately gonna go into my travel bag. Really excited about that. The next item that is in here is from this brand called Daily Concepts. And this one here is another full-size product. And this one is a $14 value. And they're saying this is the Hammam Mitt. It's to detoxify and refresh your skin for a youthful glow. It says, make your body. This cloth cleanses and exfoliates all at the same time. It detoxifies, rehydrates, and nourishes without stripping and drying out your skin, so you can look and feel your best. This also, the tip on this is apply your cleanser to the mitt, then use all over wet skin to exfoliate and avoid using on your face. So important to read all of those instructions, because when I pulled this out, this is the carton that it came in. This is what this looks like here. I love that it has this little, I call these wrist things, but this isn't for the wrist. This is to hang, you know, so that it can dry out. But it is really, really like an exfoliating cloth. Definitely do not use this on your hands, but it's the type that you put on like a mitt and you're able to wash yourself. Really, really excited to have the opportunity to play with this. And then the last item in here is something really unique. This is here, there's 2 of them, and it says it's called SIGMATIC. It is a hot cocoa with Reishi, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's R-E-I-S-H-I. It says, treat yourself to a better bedtime with this vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, organic cocoa mix. It's made with reishi and mushrooms that you'll experience a relaxing evening and a better night's rest. There's 2 packs in here. They're saying that's worth $4. Normally it is a 10 pack for the full size, and that is a $20 value. And they're saying in the evening, add 1 packet to 6 ounce of hot water, stir and enjoy. So they gave us 2 of them to try, which I think is absolutely fantastic. Can you believe this box? It blows my mind. I am so excited to have the opportunity to share this with you guys on my channel. Like I said, I will have a fantastic link down below. Make sure to check it out. Go on the website, see what they're all about. But what I said to you that I love about this is if you sign up for the year, they only charge you monthly. So you're making the commitment without having to pay everything up front to be able to still get that fantastic deal of $16 a month, which I think is an absolute win-win. Please share with me in the comments down below if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products. We always share with each other in the True Ones comments. Make sure to put on your calendar about this advent calendar on September 16th for the day that they're going to launch it, because I think this is going to be fantastic. Hopefully I'll get it on my channel before that date so I can show you up close and personal everything that's inside. But definitely mark that date, because this sounds like an absolute winner. And that's it for today. So thank you to everybody for joining me. Everybody have a safe Labor Day weekend, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.